Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So today I want to unboxing my Macbook Pro 16. So check it out. Okay guys, before I start unboxing my Macbook Pro 16, so I just want to share with you. I am using this Macbook 2010, about 10 years ago. So this is my Macbook 10 years ago. So 10 tahun dah saya gunakan Macbook ni, and I think that is about time to change. So insyaAllah I baru je order Macbook Pro 16. So hari ni I akan share with all of you how to unbox this Macbook Pro. So let's have a see. So macam biasa, when you purchase online, normally pos penghantaran akan dilakukan oleh UPS, and you can track the tracking. Okay, where is the progress of you punya shipping. So I think that I want to start over by unboxing. So normally kalau you tengok dekat Apple product, so dia punya packaging ni was very interesting because of it was so simple. You just need to peel off this one. Okay, alright, buang je, tak payah pakai. So interestingly, alright, so you can unbox like this. Alright, so menariknya, you just tolak je ke hadapan. Alright, so you can see your MacBook Pro 16 bro. So a long waited. So banyak juga review yang saya gunakan. I think about hundreds review just to make sure that I purchase a good MacBook for my own productivity. And MacBook 16 inch ni memang I think that's something that very good in terms of review. So kita letak kat bawah. Alright, so biasanya Apple ni dia ada satu feeling. So feeling dia adalah when you unbox the MacBook, so dekat bahagian bawah ni you can peel off. Alright, okay. Nervous bro, buka benda baru ni memang nervous. So yes, it was so nice. Sebenarnya saya masih simpan lagi kotak MacBook Pro 13 saya, and then this box look so nice. Alright, cantik ya. But I can feel that dia punya heavy dia, I can feel this one memang agak berat because of the size is totally different dengan MacBook lama saya. Alright, so slowly. Alright, okay. Alright, so dia punya box pun thicker gak. Packaging Apple ni jarang menghampakan lah. When I beli my Apple product, tak kira iPad ke MacBook ke, so dia punya packaging dia memang so superb. Alright, so these are the MacBook. Alright, these are the MacBook. Tapi kita tak nak tengok MacBook dulu. Alright, so kita letak tepi dulu. Macam biasa, when you purchase a MacBook, normally dia akan bagi you a manual. So I think that semua tahu kot dalam ni ada apa. Ada manual, ada stiker MacBook dan sebagainya. Alright, so I think ini I letak tepi je lah. Alright, and they were given you a 3-pin plug. Okay, and this one, the power. Alright, so I think this one is slightly bigger sikit dia punya size dia. I think 65 watt. Alright, okay, dan juga USB-C untuk tujuan pengecasan. Alright, so this one I put aside. I think that semua nak tengok yang this part. Alright, so this part, so macam biasa, kalau you tengok dekat sini, you can peel off. Alright, so you can peel off. Tu bunyi dia. So saya pilih space grey. Kalau you tengok my old MacBook tu dia memang white. So this one is space grey. Alright, so menarik. Okay, So I facing over to you. Alright. So ada pula ketak sini, kita buang dulu. Alright. So biasanya when you buka MacBook, dia automatically akan on and you tengok macam mana. Alright. So saya akan buka MacBook saya. Oh sorry terbalik. Alright. Macam ni. Alright. Okay. Kita akan buka. Alright, dan kita akan tarik. Alright. So, jom kita tengok. Yeah, normally dia akan on. And I think that we need to do some kind of setup and also configuration. And the first feeling tengok dia punya design was very sleek. Oh, tak sabar. I think I cannot wait to see what inside. Alright, so that's all for unboxing. So I need to do some kind of setup. Maybe mungkin after this I can give you some kind of review on how this MacBook Pro 16-inch really work and also to increase my productivity. So see and watch the next video. Thank you guys. Wassalamualaikum.